Hey guys, this is me again, Honey, and today gagawa tayo ng chocolate cake without baking. We're gonna do a no-bake chocolate cake. Yeah. So if you wanna know how to do it, please keep on watching. Ow. So the ingredients are 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of this vanilla extract, and then a pinch of salt, 1 egg, and then melted butter, half a cup of melted butter, and then this one, the baking soda. First, what we're gonna do is to mix the dry ingredients, the flour, sugar, the cocoa powder, the salt, and the baking powder. Okay, first, we're gonna pour the flour.
Yes. And we go mix it.
Not yet. And then, next is the 1 cup of sugar.
Oh no, that's too many.
There's still flour. And then, half a cup of cocoa powder.
Now mix.
Not yet. And then, the salt. And the last one is the baking soda. And then you mix. Okay, mix. Oi, slowly.
Oh, yeah.
So the next thing that we're gonna do is to put 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract flavor. Vanilla flavor.
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna pour a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Oops. Okay. And then
Just a moment.
And then the next thing that we're gonna do is to pour the melted butter
Yes.
in.
That one. Now, it tastes so yummy.
And then, wait lang. And then we're gonna pour the egg.
Yes.
Okay. And then we mix. So we forgot one ingredient, and that is water. So we're gonna pour it over there. That's half a cup of water. Wait. Okay, so we're gonna pour the mixture into this pan. Okay, so the mixture is ready to be placed inside a steamer. Oh no.
You got chocolate.
Okay, so ito na po yung tinatawag kong steamer. So actually, ano siya, sterilizer ng bote ni Bliss. Pero pwede naman na siyang steam dyan. So medium heat lang. Tapos, wait natin ng 40 minutes. Okay? Bliss, show them the cake. We'll know that the cake is fully cooked if this toothpick comes out clean. Okay. Ta-da! It's so clean, so this means that this cake is cooked. Now it's time for
The sauce.
Okay. So for chocolate sauce or chocolate syrup, we need half a cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and then 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract mixed sa 1/2 cup of milk. At dahil wala kaming saucepan, nilagay ko na lang siya sa ibabaw ng frying pan na may water. And then, yung ginawa ko dito is nilagyan ko siya ng konting yung milk kanina. Tapos pag natunaw na siya, ibubuhos ko yung sobrang milk. And then, imimix ko ulit siya until maging sticky. Ayan, tapos na ang ating sauce at ipapa-cool down ko lang siya ng konting-konti. Tinanggal ko na ang chocolate cake sa kanyang pan. At ayan na siya. Ipupur na natin ang ating chocolate sauce sa ibabaw ng ating moist cake. Of course, pwede nyo itong gawin kasama ang inyong mga bagets, but with supervision kasi alam nyo na mga bata. Ayan, magta-taste test muna
It's
tayo.
so fun
Yeah.
to play a taste test.
So moist.
It's so sweet.